Second question is, complete the following factor tree and find the composite number x. In this question, I'm going to find the value of x. The value of x, how to find the value of x? In this is the tree diagram, और हम लोग इसको नीचे से स्टार्ट करते हैं. Okay, I'm going to multiply 13 and 5, get 65. Then next we are going to multiply 65 with 3. 3 5s are 15 and 3 6 are 18, 19. So I'm get 195. Then 195 multiplied with 3. 3 5. $585. So the value of x is 585. So by this process, I'm going to find easily the value of x. In question number 3, the third question is, the decimal representation of 6/1250 will terminate after how many places of decimal? In this question, I'm going to find into 5 into 5 into 5, and it can be write as 5 to the power 4. So this is this is only prime factor 2 is there is the denominator which is in the form of 2 to the power 0, that is which is in the form of 2 to the power n into 5 to the power m. If any denominator is in the form, we can it as a terminating decimal expansion. So this number is a terminating decimal expansion. Therefore, the decimal expansion of 3/625 is terminating. Now I'm going to know, now we have to know these numbers terminating. Next step is doing without actual performing division. We find the decimal number. 3/625, write it as 3/5 to the power 4. Now multiplying in numerator and denominator both with the 2 to the power 4 upon 2 to the power 4, because 5 into 2 is equals to 10. I'm going to make these 10's power. So then 3 into 2 to the power 4 upon 5 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 4. We know that these formula a to the power m into b to the power m is equals to ab to the power m. I'm going to apply these formula in this expression. If the base are not equal but the power is equal, so we can easily multiplying the base. 3 into 2 to the power, the 2 to the power 4 is 16, and 10 to the power 4. Multiplication of 16 into 3 is 48 upon 10 to the power 4. I can write it as 10,000. So I'm going to decimal, point a decimal up to before the 4th places, because there are 4 zeros. So the answer is 0.0048. 3/625. So this is the answer. This is the complete solution of this question. Thank you.